If Earth had two suns, it would have a significant impact on the planet and its environment. Here are some potential consequences. Increased sunlight. With two suns, Earth would receive more sunlight, resulting in higher levels of illumination and heat. This would lead to changes in climate patterns, affecting weather systems, temperatures, and ecosystems across the globe. Longer days. The presence of two suns would likely lead to longer daylight hours. Depending on the orbital configuration, the length of a day could increase significantly. This would have implications for plant growth cycles, animal behavior, and human activities. Altered seasons. The dual sun system would likely cause changes in the seasons. The distribution of sunlight and its intensity throughout the year would be different, potentially affecting the timing and duration of seasons as we currently experience them. Tidal effects. The gravitational forces exerted by two suns would interact with Earth's own gravitational field, leading to altered tides. The presence of dual suns could result in more complex tidal patterns and potentially higher tides in certain areas. Impact on ecosystems. The increased sunlight and altered climate would have a profound effect on ecosystems. Plants would have to adapt to changes in light availability and temperature, which would, in turn, impact the entire food chain. Animal behavior, migration patterns, and biodiversity could be significantly affected. Changes in celestial navigation. Navigational techniques that rely on a single sun for reference, such as using the position of the sun for orientation or determining directions, would need to be adjusted. The presence of two suns would require the development of new navigation methods and tools. Impact on human activities. The presence of two suns would necessitate changes in infrastructure and human habits. Sun-dependent industries such as agriculture, solar power generation, and tourism would need to adapt to the altered environment. Additionally, daily routines and social activities might be adjusted to accommodate the longer days. Astronomical phenomena. The dual sun system would create unique astronomical phenomena. For example, sunsets and sunrises could display more complex and visually striking colors and patterns due to the interplay between the two suns. It's important to note that the specific consequences of having two suns would depend on various factors, such as the distance between the suns, their size, mass, and their orbits around each other and the Earth. These factors would determine the degree of influence the dual sun system has on our planet.